Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting speech on International Yoga Day. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Speech on International Yoga Day. Rightly written in Bhagavad Gita, yoga is the journey of the self through the self to the self. Namaste everyone. Have you ever wondered what it feels like truly connect your body, mind and soul? If you are looking for the answers, you have already taken the first step by celebrating International Yoga Day. Every year on 21st June, people across the globe come together to embrace the practice of yoga. But yoga is not just about twisting your body into poses. It's an ancient tradition that began in India over 5,000 years ago. It's a powerful tool to reduce stress, improve health, enhance concentration, and most importantly, bring peace and positivity into our lives. When we practice yoga, we experience inner calm and an incredible energy that stays with us all day long. International Yoga Day reminds us that the health of our body and mind is our most precious treasure. Yoga keeps our body strong, flexible, and healthy. It calms our mind and helps us feel peaceful and happy. Practicing yoga every day improves our focus and brings balance to our life. Just imagine a few minutes of yoga every morning can make you feel energetic, help you breathe better, improve your posture, and help you sleep deeper at night. And the best part of yoga is yoga can be practiced by everyone. Whether you are a child, an adult, or a senior citizen, No special equipment, no gym. All you need is a mat and a commitment to yourself. On this International Yoga Day, let's promise to make yoga a part of our daily routine. Let us inspire our families and friends too, so that together we can lead healthier, happier, and more peaceful lives. Remember, yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. Happy International Yoga Day to all. Let's stretch, breathe, and grow together. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.